All right, what's up, fam? It is 4 approaching 4:09 a.m. Eastern. Quick Bitcoin concern. Uh, let's see. This is the of course the chart showing the levels, different levels of price kept perspective. I said I would be looking for Bitcoin to hit this boundary. Let me go to the candlesticks instead of the line chart. And we can see this, but the main thing is you got this series higher lows, and then when we got up here, you see this. Let me go to the daily. This is what I saw first. I'm trying to go, yeah, right. This is my computer was on daily. So when I looked over here, you see these higher lows, fine, you got a little plateau here, a little dip there, because that would be a 1, 2, whatever, 3. Okay, so fine, you take off here, got this big green candlestick, and then I look over here and see this red candle with the lower low. Go, uh-oh. So we got something happening, and it happened like near this resistance. So I can clearly see this is an A, B, C. So we're getting ready to do a C wave and take out all of that. So again, just looking at it on the daily chart, knowing that with the green candle, of course, it opens here, then it goes low here, and that's the high, and that's the close. The red candle is the exact opposite. It opens here, this is the high, it goes low, and of course, then the wick means price rejection, and so it closed here. And then this one again opens here and went higher. So you know this is A, B, C. You can see that just on the daily chart. So we're getting ready to make a lower low. And typically after an ABC, we could get, say, a 50% or so retrace. I expect us to retrace up to these bodies right here and end up making a head and shoulders pattern. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. So we're going to come down here and more than likely come back up here. And we're going to have a nice, neat little head and shoulder pattern. And a lot of people should see that. Then it could die. Hey, this thing has been doing so much whack stuff. But just in terms of a bearish read, that's what likely is in the it could be in the cards. That's my view at least. A, B, C, then a 50% or so retrace. 50% would be about right there. 62. I think we're going to come up to the body of these candles as a maximum. Have left shoulder, head, right shoulder. This is the big money play for just about everything. The head and shoulders pattern is a winner. It really is. Because if you don't have to guess or try to be a Swami and guess the top. Your first clue is always a lower low. A next candle going lower. And then I also told you, of course, the candle side by side, that's also a key too for consolidation. You see when the price is on a run, the bodies don't overlap much. But when they get to consolidation, sideways movement, the candles are side by side. So just kind of get used to seeing that. And you already got your wave count. You're counting your waves, so you know when you're at the final wave where it shouldn't be, or where at this point in the structure with if this is 1 and 2 and this is the start of wave 3, if we call this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we shouldn't be getting no side by side action, and we definitely shouldn't be getting the lower low. So this is a suspicious time for that to be happening. So now we're going to look at this on the 4 hour just to show, the ABC. And there you got the ABC. So learn to see that ABC pattern even on a daily, just by looking at the way the candles overlap. But there you go right there. 62% retrace, come down here. We may retrace up to here, about like that. So I'm expecting, bam. This would be a lower low taking this out. And then retracing up to about here. And then continuing the form. We'll see. Or, hey, it could do ABC. It could go ABC, come right here, and keep going higher. So that would be the bullish play. So we have to wait and see how this goes. Let's see. More than likely, when we come down here, this is a 4 hour chart now, we're going to be deeply oversold. And typically on this 50% retrace, you get back overboard again without making a higher high. So that's the little, advanced tip. And again, this is the thing that caught my attention was just this red candle making a lower low, So keep your eye on Bitcoin. We'll see, as usual. Price trading down to this price action area here. This area of interest, the bodies of these candles here. So we got a case where the Fibonacci extension, the Elliott Wave ABC pattern, taking us to the same point where the people that's just trading pure price action, that they don't use no Fibonacci 2, they don't use nothing. And so we all going to end up at the same point, But because they don't have nothing like Elliott Wave theory, they're not looking for, say, a head and shoulders pattern. They don't have a reason to be suspicious that the whole wave structure could topple over. So a lot of money that they make, a lot of it they give back when this structure comes, until they learn something more. To give them a broader perspective. So, And also I'm looking at, you got divergence here. This is the MACD. So you got the momentum. It's the momentum oscillator for the new folk. We're headed down here on the momentum oscillator. The price is still going up. So this was a key, a sign, a warning shot that that the trend is running out of steam, that it's about to topple over. So this divergence here on the MACD was a key. And so when we get down here, we should be near this center line. And if the price ever goes below this center line point, then the decline is going to really pick up speed. So keep your eye on all those things. That's it. Peace.